Ooh. Babe, we handcuffed. You trying to get busy in this bed while people? Ooh, don't do that. Don't do that.
It was cool. Turn me up a little bit. Yeah. Let's keep on this time, man.
What it do, Ellen H. Empire? It's your girl LJ.
It's your girl Heaven.
And we're back again with another video. So I'm sad because look what we gotta do.
You gotta be stuck with me forever.
24 hours.
48.
No. Yeah, he blew it. Yeah, I barely want to do 24, so I know I'm not gonna do 48.
That means you gotta come with me to do. And the cool part about it is, y'all, guess where we about to go?
To the mall.
Handcuffs.
This sucks.
People gonna be looking at us weird.
They is, but it's alright. We do this for our supporters, our babies. Our baby. You know, we gotta do this for our babies because they have been asking for it, and we sorry we took so long to do
we
it.
had to find these.
Hey,
that's
but
why.
look, check this out. Look at get my feel of the day. You feel me? Get my feel of the day. You feel me?
Oh my god, who cute?
Oh, I'm cute, huh?
Who cute? Why you got that do-rag on?
Cause you feel me? My hair ain't cut, but it's alright. Cause I'm about to go get it cut up.
Excuse me.
Don't worry about her.
You have a whole nother.
Don't worry about her.
Cut the camera.
Don't worry about her. But
cut the camera.
Yeah. So look, we about to strap. I want it to my right arm.
Wait.
You know I gotta drive.
Wait.
Come
we
on.
having technical difficulties.
Slow people in the handcuff.
This arm?
Yeah, this one. Lord.
I ain't gonna put it too tight.
Alright, that's good.
What arm do I do? This arm?
Yeah. You know you're gonna have to get in the car like this, right?
Oh, for real?
Yep. So when I move, you move. Just like that. Yep. Hey, bring that back. So, y'all, we cuffed up. Let's go.
We about to go to the car.
Yep. Come on. Hold this.
I'll see y'all when we get to the car because it's dark. We just made it in the car, driving.
And we handcuffed still, sadly.
My wrist little. Look how far down it is.
It's hard to drive like this, y'all. Y'all don't even understand my struggle.
We finna go pick up her granny and then what? Go to the mall?
Go to the mall. Sadly. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how Heaven gotta get out the car when we get to the mall.
That's wrong.
So, you know,
that's the best part of the video that you like. I'm cutting off the camera.
Oh, my cousin's birthday is today.
Music.
Oh, y'all, fix this, baby. It's zooming in, huh? Fix this. Alright, there we go. Thank you. Alright, y'all, so about to get out the car.
You better go slow.
This tough. Look, come on.
Wait. Go.
Okay.
Wait. What?
Wait.
Ow, my wrist.
And your elbows ashy.
Boy, if you don't get...
Wait.
Oh
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Wait. I gotta
Get out.
Back the body works.
I got some lotion right here in the car if you come on. Y'all.
My leg is so long.
The struggle. Oh my god. Oh, she out. Y'all see that? Then this is what I gotta go through. So, huh?
Wait, my arms is...
So, we'll catch y'all when we get into the mall.
Guys, guess who's handcuffed to me? And we just made it to the mall.
LJ the greatest handcuff.
We just made it to the mall. What store about to go in?
JC Penney's for my granny.
Oh, to turn on this pillow.
And
So,
her blankets.
Oh, and her blankets, y'all. Y'all like my shoes? Y'all like her shoes or my shoes? Tell me whose shoes look better.
Bezos go with any and everything.
Like my shoes better.
You sound silly.
My shoes better.
Yeah.
We in JCPenney. We in
And we still
JCPenney.
cuffed together. It's blurry.
Hold on, guys. It gotta focus.
Look. Go this way.
Oh. See, I can't record and walk handcuffed because I'm a trip. And you gonna trip. You gonna trip and I'm a trip.
Y'all really
I'm
love
done tripping.
love y'all. You know
I'm
we
done
love y'all.
tripping.
Because I would not be recording and doing this challenge if it wasn't for y'all. So,
And we gotta go to sleep like this?
if you still
What about we get in the shower?
oh, if you,
What about we get in the
yeah, right here. If we still, if
You
y'all
want me to
still
carry that?
I got it. I got it, Grandma. Let her carry it. So if y'all still here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, join the family.
I know, cause I got deodorant on my shirt.
And if you're new to this channel, join. Hey, say hi, Granny.
I look orange.
I do too. It's a little dark.
I
Yeah,
think it's the
light.
light in here.
But y'all, please help me. And
Please help us save the day. Watch it.
turn, baby, turn the camera off.
Okay.
Y'all,
Look, guys, look what we looking at.
refrigerators, because when we get our new place, our own place.
I wonder if we could touch. Can we touch?
Yeah, you can open it up. Look at this one. Is it cold? No, it ain't cold. Oh, this 200.
It's too like small though.
Yeah, this part.
Yeah.
It's roomy.
It's a
though.
cold saver.
It's roomy.
How you open it?
Let me see.
Push to open. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, it's still. I don't like not this one. I wouldn't get this one.
Yeah,
Would
me
you?
either. It's too small.
Yeah, it's touchscreen though. It's very touchy stuff.
Oh, it's touchscreen?
Y'all
Okay.
see
Is it gonna give me some ice right now? It's gonna give me some
No, you thirsty.
I want some crushed ice.
Y'all, comment
This
which one y'all
big.
like. Comment
Twin.
right now which one y'all like.
This the twin one. Twin Cooling Plus.
It feel good. Ooh, it feel bomb in here.
This too small too though.
No, it ain't. It's not that small. This the old school?
Up and down. Which one like that?
Up and down. What you mean?
Pull that freezer over.
This one?
Yeah, that one right here, that gray.
Oh,
She like the old school.
oh yeah. It's nice, but it's not a lot of room in there.
Come on.
Let's go look at the stove with our babies.
Come on. Look at these stoves. Oh, and they got microwaves.
on top.
Wait
But
a
they
minute.
different pricing. Look, gotta look.
That's
Wait, how you open this?
link your microwave range. Open to find out how. Oh, you open like that.
Oh, and it's roomy and it's big.
It's big. It's. Oh, look how it touches though.
Oh, this one, look. Oh, babe. Double space. Oh.
Wait a minute.
Okay, y'all see this?
This a microwave and this a microwave?
Yeah, you just put like one. You put one on this.
So you
and
put a
then-
plate on here and
and
put
put
the
a plate
right
at the
here.
bottom and warm them up.
Yeah, so our food gonna be done at the same
Say
time.
one dinner plate.
Soup.
Oh.
You could heat some dinner, some soup, some
everything
pizza,
up in the microwave.
and then you got
Comment y'all comment which one y'all like, y'all. Okay. Look at the
these
washer.
stoves.
Come on, let's go look at the washers. While we look, look at the stove. Hey.
Ooh. Yeah. This free delivery, basic installation.
And this is nice.
Oh look, boom, 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 boom.
Yes. This is. Oh, let's go look at this refrigerator.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, the one. No, this one. Oh, this one nice.
This
too.
one nice,
wait
though.
a minute. Heaven.
Heaven.
Oh. Yes. And it's roomy.
And you can put it
And
on
high or low. Okay. Well, how much is this?
We gotta close it and see. Right here. Damn. Never. For a refrigerator? Is this the freezer?
4,000.
Wait, is this the refrigerator and this the freezer?
Yeah. No, this is
Fingerprint. Y'all can't touch my refrigerator unless you got a fingerprint. Yes, you ain't eating none of my food.
And it's up to 40% off. Okay. Yes, look at this one.
We passed up the washers.
No, they're right here. This one.
Oh, this smaller little.
Yeah, it's like the other one.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, nah.
It's small.
I wouldn't get this one.
Then you been
They stink in here?
They do. These refrigerators.
Yeah, let's look at the washers.
I kind of like these right here. I kind of like.
Ooh, okay.
Y'all see this?
Look up.
Look how much it costs.
Ooh, pricey, huh? Pricey.
I like washers like this, so you can put your clothes right here, and it's like I like stuff my height.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Oh.
What is this for? What is that?
Wait a minute.
Washer or laundry. But
Wait a minute. How many clothes could go in there? Oh, it's 2 washers. It say 2 washers.
wait, where the people at?
Hold on.
Ask the people how this works.
Y'all see this?
Oh, this nice.
And then it got this at the bottom.
Yeah, so this is a real washer.
But is these both washers?
Oh, it say 1 washing machine. No.
One machine, 2
washers.
I wash my clothes, you wash your clothes.
Oh, this would be like for like a blanket or. Okay.
Pillow sheets and stuff.
Or yeah. Okay.
And then your clothes go in the bottom. Like towels and stuff.
This is the deepest it go.
I think so.
It's nice, y'all.
And then you close this part. And then you close this part and your clothes gonna be. Oh, this is 2 dryers.
Yeah, they said it.
Oh, so
But look how much they
washers.
both. That's like what?
A lot of money.
2,500. Just on washer and dryer.
Oh, I like this dryer.
Yeah. It's
It look
nice.
like a fry,
Look at her.
Ooh.
Look at her messing up, y'all.
Nobody's seen it.
Yeah, I got it. We looking at stuff.
It sound like we breaking stuff over here. But let's see the inside of this dryer.
My fault. It's nice.
Is it room? Oh, I think it's on this side.
Yes. It's nice.
This is 1 machine, 2 dryers, and this is 1 machine, 2 washers.
Yeah.
1 machine.
You got everything settled?
Yeah. Guess what they did?
Hold on.
Put it back into your checking account.
I thought, yeah, they do that.
Y'all, we made it to the bed section.
Ooh.
Babe, we handcuffed. You trying to get busy in this bed while people?
Ooh, don't do that. Don't do that. Let me get up.
What happened?
She been crazy.
No.
She been crazy in the store.
Oh no,
Now this is better.
no, this,
I don't like that
this
one.
too hard too.
No, you need a
Hey, I like that one. I like that one over there.
Where's that one that we looked at?
Over
Look at
here?
these beds, y'all.
Which one?
This too small.
Yeah, that's true.
We can't fit.
No, but you
We
order
can't
the
fit
queen. You order the queen. Or the king. No.
Oh wait. Oh wait.
This one?
Yes, this one. Wait, it's kind of hard.
Oh, it ain't.
It's soft to you?
I sleep peacefully. Ooh.
Oh no.
Yeah, I don't. No, grandma, I like it
No,
like this.
grandma.
You old right now. You want the hardy soft. I want the softy soft.
Ooh.
Where
Where that other bed?
It's this one.
This it? You sure?
Yes,
Right.
yeah.
You gotta scoot over.
I forgot. We
Let me hold the camera on y'all.
Yeah, grandma,
Okay,
come
hold
on.
on, turn it.
What do you?
You see it?
Oh, wait, this the bed. This the bed.
It feels so good.
Don't let me get rich.
Right?
I'm gonna have all the comforters. This
Not
is soft.
rich, wealthy. Don't let us get wealthy. This feels so good.
I'm gonna be jumping. You're gonna be playing 2K. I'm like, get off the game. Is this the bed we were looking at last time?
It is. I told you. And then y'all, are y'all? Is a queen size to this? It is. See, look.
Do they come all
Y'all.
sizes?
What size is this right now? Oh, this
Queen.
This a queen one?
All the 4 samples are queen except for the one right next to you. That was the king.
Oh, I think we'll have to go king.
Oh yeah, we are because.
Yeah,
but
because
I
queen
want-
ain't gonna work.
I want king. I want this to be king.
It got it right here. Look, it said California king. Y'all look at the price. Let me show y'all. Oh, pricey as hell. But it's okay.
I like this mattress though.
Cause we're gonna get it. We're gonna get to it. We're gonna work hard for what we want. But
We're looking at couches now, y'all.
you see us? Y'all. Hey, I'm fly today on mamas. I'm cute. Yeah, just you know them.
We gonna turn this camera off before we get copyrighted.
Yeah, oh, we show.
I look orange. But anyways, y'all, the camera had died. We just made it home, and look, she's going to sleep. Hello. I'm gonna put you on camera if you don't wake up. She keep on pulling my arm, and I'm hungry. So can we go get something to eat? Can we go get my churros from downstairs? You coming with me on camera? I'm gonna tell them how you doing me.
Just lay down.
Yeah, I'm hungry. She talking about to just lay down.
Tomorrow. Eat tomorrow. I'm sleepy.
So you gonna make me starve into the morning?
Yeah, shit.
It's only 9:43.
I'm sleepy.
Yeah, I'm hungry, and she don't want to come downstairs with me.
Yo, I'm tired.
Can you come on, babe?
What's up to them? Yeah, I'm sleepy as hell. Oh my god, why the camera look orange?
I don't know.
Let me see.
We gotta get it fixed or something. I want to say it's the light in your room, probably.
It is.
We gotta get some better light.
Bye, y'all. See you later.